of Washington, D.C., we observe an extraordinary creature, the Brooklyn knob gobbler. Native to the New York slums, this bird's intellect rivals that of a potato. Elected to represent its fellow knob gobblers, it frequents the House of Representatives, emitting distinctive calls that irritate those in its vicinity. Feeding on a unique diet of baby batter, cream pies, and taint meat casserole, the knob gobbler has adapted to thrive in the political swamps of D.C. Despite its limited mental prowess, this bird provides moments of amusement, occasionally captivating the entire nation with its absurd statements. Despite a lack of notable accomplishments, the knob gobbler's chances of re-election remain high, a testament to the peculiar liberal idiocy of New Yorkers. As the city transforms into a liberal shithole, the consequences of sending knob gobblers to Washington become increasingly apparent. In this liberal cesspool, New Yorkers find themselves reaping what they sowed.